The Indiana Farmers Agency of the Year Award is our top award for agency performance in a calendar year. The Barnum-Brown Insurance Agency has been on a consistent growth trend since 2019. They've had double-digit growth in those years, which is outstanding considering they're in a town of only 2,000 people.
Barnum-Brown's roots go back to 1931. I came on board in '98 and assumed ownership with Stephanie in 2018.
I feel like we've really grown as a company because of our employees. They make Barnum-Brown.
I think Barnum-Brown really represents their hometown of Dunkirk very well. I think from the moment you walk in the door, you're walking into like a family atmosphere. It's one big room with 4 people sitting there kind of waving at you and saying hello.
One of the advantages of being a small business is that we get to know the customers better. It allows us to have personal relationships with our customers.
Being there for them and explaining everything that we can to them to make them feel comfortable and taken care of is very important to me.
Synergy between Indiana Farmers and Barnum-Brown is really strong. We do well together, I think primarily because we have a common focus, and that's solidifying a successful member experience.
If our customers have a problem, we're jumping in, helping them, being able to, answer their questions or help, alleviate their concerns that they may have regarding a claim or their policy.
There was a tornado that went through Jay County into Salina, Ohio.
It leveled 3 of 5 barns.
Aaron and Mr. Brown, they came to the farm the next morning. They reassured us that everything was going to be okay because I just kept saying, we've only had you for less than a year. Are we going to be okay? Are you going to be able to help us enough to rebuild this? This is our livelihood. And he reassured us again, and he never let us down. We were able to rebuild.
Indiana Farmers has allowed us to survive, do the extra things that need to be done behind the scenes, common sense underwriting. If it makes sense, they'll listen.
One of their customer service representatives also won our Service Excellence Award that we award to each territory every November. So quite an accomplishment for this agency, quite a year that they've had with us.
Partnering with Barnum-Brown really strengthens our brand because they go all in. We have billboards set up around their small community of Dunkirk, which is fun to see when you're kind of driving out in the country. Not only does it support their brand, but it strengthens ours as well.
In the communities we serve, agencies like Barnum-Brown are critical to our success. They have strong relationships with their customers. They're professional in their insurance knowledge. They're a great partner for Indiana farmers and for their community as a whole.
We're a great team. Everybody here works together. We support each other. We all chip in. It's not an individual thing, we're a team.
We are very excited to be honored with this award at Barnum-Brown Insurance. It shows the efforts that our team has put forth on a day-to-day basis, the trust that our clients have placed in us. There's no bigger honor in this business.
Congratulations, Aaron, Stephanie, and everybody at Barnum-Brown Insurance on winning Agency of the Year with Indiana Farmers Insurance.